Okay, job routing. Basically, we've added this new capability that allows you to specify what an engine should be used for.
That's right. That's right. So, or yeah, because imagine you have a third party license that's only on one engine, so you could route all jobs that are associated with that need that license to that one engine, so you wouldn't have to have that across all your engines, for example.
Yeah, yeah. Something like if you had Esri, it has to run on Windows.
That's right.
So, or SDF has to be on Windows, for
That's right.
example. Um, there are two ways to do it. I'm going to show you the server-side repository tagging version. So what that means
Okay.
is we can designate a repository. We see that right here.
Yep.
Designate a repository that if I send a job through there, it's going to this engine in particular.
Perfect. So again, do this by department. So if you're in a large organization, then you won't have one department completely hogging the server from another department.
Absolutely. It's all about flexibility and being able to configure things.
Yeah.
Let's come into repositories. We've got, see, I don't have access to that. Oh no, this is a demo. There's so many servers out there now.
Yeah.
I'm going to come into repositories. We should have I am going to have to log in as admin. So again, the author didn't have access to the repository I'm about to show. Come in here, and there's a repository called Reserved Engine 1. So pretty clear what that does.
That's right.
You could give it your own name. Here's an important workspace that must run on this engine.
That's
that
right.
engine must be available. Now I'm going to run it a bunch of times, so I'm just going to open link a new tab. And I'm running it a bunch of times to show that it's only going to run on that one engine.
So now if you were the jobs, you should see them queued up. Is that what you're going to show us here?
Well, they run so quick that basically what I'm showing is that they always run on engine 1.
There you go.
Yeah, they always run on engine 1.
Yeah.
So that's how you can do the job queuing. It's very easy to configure. I'll show the configuration because it is pretty easy to do.
And in the future, we could imagine it would be done through the web admin.
Exactly. Into here. Last year you had to turn it on and do some special things.
Now it's always
on. It's always available. And all I really had to do, and like Don said, nobody likes to use configuration files.
No.
But we have made it easier this year. And
so you don't have to restart the server, is what you're saying?
That's right. You don't have to restart the server. You don't have to turn it on or anything like that. Yep. And there it is. I set up the engine to have a tag called Reserved 1 tag, and then I put that tag against the repository.
Perfect.
Done deal.
Yeah.
Okay.
And just by, there you go.
So that's job routing.